Okay guys, so the last workout for today is more like a game or a challenge rather than the actual workout. We did a similar challenge a week ago when we had to lay down on the floor and get up trying not to use our hands. This time the task is going to be similar, but we have to lay down on the floor facing down. Point charge is in front of you, try to get as many points as you can in 5 minutes. I can give you a couple of ideas how to deal with this task, but don't try to repeat after me because all of us we have different physiological characteristics, different flexibility, different lengths of our limbs. So what works for me will not necessarily work for you. So don't hesitate to be creative. Test your flexibility, test your strength. It's actually very fun, but make sure that no one will enter the room while you're doing this because it might be a little bit embarrassing. And of course guys, don't forget to count your points and let us know your results in the comment section below this video. I hope you will enjoy this little challenge and I will see you soon.